Okay, so we're going to answer a question regarding how to order same item with different colors. So for example, let's take this spaghetti strap. Ngayon, gusto niya ng kulay cream. Just click and then add to cart. And then go back again to the same ayan then you add to cart and then select again another color. Wag lang yung may nakalagay na sold out. So let's say orange. Add to cart. Go back to your cart. And then ayan na po siya, may orange and then cream. So yun, ganun lang po kasimple ang pagsiselect ng ating item. So kung mali naman po yung nakuha nyong kulay, delete nyo lang siya. And then go back again to the same seller. So, pili na lang ulit kayo na iba pang kulay. Ganun lang po kasimple. Hope you learned something from here. And thank you.